All right, let's do another expected value where it's probability times the payoff, if you will. So modify the numbers so it's a little bit smaller. Silly Billy made 6 chocolate chip muffins. 2 of the muffins fell on the ground. Each of his 3 friends came by and selected 1 muffin. Find the expected number of selected muffins that fell on the ground. Here isn't numbers, isn't money, excuse me, it's number of muffins. So what are the possible outcomes? Zero selected fell on the ground, 1 selected fell on the ground, and 2 selected fell on the ground. Even though he has 3 friends picking a muffin, only 2 muffins fell on the ground. So to each outcome, we find the probability and the payoff, which again in this case means number of muffins that fell on the ground. So this is similar to what we did with the previous Silly Billy problem. So let's do the probability first. What's the probability that none of the muffins selected fell on the ground? No. So remember what we did earlier? We had bad muffins and we had good muffins. The combinations. Yeah. So out of the 6 muffins, we're picking 3 of them, so that would be the denominator. The numerator will represent, we want 0 bad muffins and 3 good muffins. So out of the 2 bad muffins, we want none of them, and out of the 4 good muffins, we want 3 of them. What's the payoff for this problem, for this part? How many bad muffins do we want for this part? So we're going to multiply it by 0. All that work, it's just going to be multiplied by 0. Mike, you're evil. I know. Plus, because or is implied. Now we want exactly 1 bad muffin. Yep, out of the 2 bad muffins, we want 1, and out of the 4 good muffins, we want 2, over, out of the 6 muffins, we're picking 3. We're not going to multiply this by 0. What are we multiplying this one by? By 1. Or, what's the next one? Out of the 2 bad muffins, we want 2, and out of the good muffins, 1, over, out of the 6 muffins, we're picking 3. And what's the payoff here? 2. You should get 1. So that says, out of the 3 friends who take a muffin, you should expect 1 of them to be a bad muffin. Awesome.